So let's take a look at guides. Guides can be very helpful in laying out your project in Photoshop. Let's jump in and take a look. So here we are in Photoshop. I've got a blank document and I've got my rulers turned on my left and right side. You can see that. If you don't see your rulers, click on View and go to Rulers and make sure that is checked next to it. Okay, we also have Extras checked and I have Snap checked. And when you have Snap checked, you can make sure it's like Snap to Guides, Layers, or Document Bounds. And that's kind of helpful. For instance, I'm going to create a horizontal guide, but I want it to be in the center of my composition. So what I could do is just drag from my ruler on the top. Just left mouse button, click and drag, and it will snap. If you drag slow enough, you'll see it kind of snap into place. Right, gets kind of sticky right there. And there's the center. I could do the same thing from the left side. Just click and drag out. And it gets kind of sticky right in there. Boom, it snaps, release, and there you go. There's a quick way to add two guides, vertical and horizontal. But what if you want a guide that's in a specific place? Maybe it's for placement of text. Well, what you could do is go up to View, go down to Guides, and you can say New Guide. And let's make this one a different color, just because we can. Let's go with blue. And I'm going to make a horizontal guide. And I want this guide to be, say, 9 inches. Remember, it's from the top, right? So you have 0 up here. I'm going to make this 9 inches. So right down here, we should have a guide that's at the 9-inch mark. I'm going to click OK. And look at that. At the 9-inch mark, we have a guide. Same thing with vertical. If I was to go to, again, View, Guides, New Guide, and I'm going to make this one, say, green. Actually, we'll make this one red so we can see it. We'll say vertical, and I'm going to make this one 1 inch in. So this time it's going to be 1 inch in from the left side. Click OK, and there you go. There's your guide. Now, why do we have guides? Guides can be used to help lay out images, lay out shapes, and create your a nice set of typography and a layout for your project. So if I'm creating, say, a shape, let me just create a new layer quick. And I'm going to create an ellipse. Oh, get out of there. Okay, there's my ellipse. Now we can see it. Now I want to move this around. Since I have snapping on, it should snap to my guide. So let's go up to View, Snap to Guides. We could snap to Layers, Document Bounds. We're going to snap to Guides. So if I wanted this to center, right there. Okay. Same thing. If I wanted to put text, but I wanted my text to be, let's put here text here. Let's change the color so we can see it. There we go. And adjust the size. With text, I can actually drag this around, and you can see it kind of snaps to my guide. There, it likes to snap there. It'll snap so it's centered. Okay? So that's where guides can help, is they can help align your shapes, your objects, your images in your composition as you create your project. I hope this helps in your projects when laying out your compositions. And until next time, I'll see you in class.